So it's actually kind of neat. So this is a fresh direct bag they deliver the food in. This one's a little bit too big, and the reason why is because, see that right there is from the handle. See the handle like that? It's too big. You don't want that distance. You want something a little snug like that. So you get one of the other food bags. Of course, it's a food bag. It's a shopping bag. It's much, much more. It's a propeller guard bag too. Anyway, yeah, so it's a little bit tighter, see? And then you just throw that on like that. And then you make the circle, but your circle is going to have to be a little bit bigger. So this is too snug because you need that extra room, whoops, for sewing. So you open it, right? The right bag that I found, there's many out there, is the B&H bag. And so that works really well. And then you throw it on. And this is the kind of space you want. So you want that kind of spacing so that basically you're going to sew around there. Even if it's by hand. By hand, you just go old school. You just run it through the sewing machine. One little stitch at a time. And my kids are going to be like, Dad, that's mine. And you just watch your fingers. You stroll around. See, you're just going. Getting that stitch in there. And wait. What's that? Well, you'll get there. Anyway, just like that. See that? Voila. And then, when you're done, no one's going to see all that. See, you could cut that. Actually, I should cut it, but I'll do it later. Anyway, there's no rush. And then you just carefully turn the bag inside out so that, because remember, there's some of the stitch, you'll know if your stitch is tight or not, because the bag may or may not fall apart. In this case, it won't because it's pretty tight. And it looks small, but it's not, believe it or not. It's just the right size to fit all of your stuff. And it's pretty cool. It's quite the coincidence that the bag has a camera on it. I'm pretty sure if you know someone, you can have B&H send your bag, or just any bag. You know, I just got lucky with this bag. Just blends well. Looks like a camera bag. And then voila. Yeah, I'll probably fix that later at the bottom. Rerun it through the sewing machine. I have a kid's sewing machine, so it works fine. And then that's it. See? And it's the same size as this bag. So you know, the propeller guards will fit in there, but it won't fit. It will fit, it won't fit, because you'd have to take out the landing pad. So that's the only way to get it to fit in there, or have the company send you another one. And then, voila, there you go. Now you have your bag, and you put your carabiner there. And in the end, that's the finished product. And I hope this video helped you, and you're able to make yourself a bag for your propeller guards. Feel free to leave your questions and comments down below, and I'll see you all next time.